So you said West Bengal, right?
Yes.
West Bengal. So is that in Bengal? Is that where the uh, where the Bengal tiger is?
Yeah, Bengal tiger is the national animal, and also it is very famous in West Bengal. Royal Bengal tiger, that is called.
Oh, I love that tiger. A tiger is my
Oh,
favorite animal.
oh my God. Oh, great. That is awesome. That is awesome. So, in future, or is it your dream to have a pet like a tiger?
No, because I think they should be wild, but um, when
Good.
I was a child, I was sure that I was a tiger in another life. I was like, I was a tiger in another life.
Okay, okay. And wild animals should be preserved in the wild, in the forest, not in the house.
Yes. Yes, exactly. I agree with you. And I heard what you said about like you also think that tigers should be wild or that wild animals should be protected in the wild. I agree. And has I've heard that the numbers of tigers has gone up, which is
Hmm.
good news.
Which is really, really good news.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're recovering. It's
Hmm.
great.
Yes.
So, what's your favorite animal?
Uh, my favorite animal is lion.
The lion, and they all lions in India.
Yeah, a great, huge lions and also tigers are preserved in India. But
Hmm.
all over the world, in South Africa, there are very much types of lions available.
Oh, again, can you tell me again? I didn't
Yeah,
understand.
yeah. In South Africa, there are lot of various types of lions are available in South Africa.
Yes, there are lions in South
Yeah, white
Africa.
lions, black lions, and normal lions.
Oh, wow. I've never seen a black lion. I
Yeah,
wonder what that looks like.
you can go for Google and you can check it out also.
I'm gonna look it up. Yeah,
Yeah.
I've seen white lions. The zoo, I think the zoo here in Italy has a white lion, a male white lion, and he is beautiful.
Yeah.
He is a very beautiful lion, very handsome. Um, I always liked big cats, like, not just lions and tigers, but also leopards.
Oh,
And
leopards. Okay. So you mostly like wild animals.
yes, I mostly like wild animals. My daughter, she likes dogs. I'm like,
Oh,
really? The dog is your favorite animal? She's like, yeah. I was like, how boring.
okay. So I think uh, she has not looked the wild lions inwardly like you.
Yeah, she doesn't care about animals. Like, she cares about them. Like, she believes that they should be respected and not be killed, of course. But it's not like her hobby like it was for
Hmm.
me as a child.
Yes.